Hi everybody, welcome back. So I have another build to do, another car build. So it's going to be Airfix 132nd Aston Martin DB5. It is one of their starter sets, so it came with a little packet of glue, paint, and 2 paint brushes. And I'll show those in a second. But here it is, that's the kit. There's the back of the box. So I picked this up because I'm a James Bond fan. So I wanted to build one and, or wanted to build that car. Yeah, this was the only scale and the only model that I could find of it in print. If anybody else knows of, another company and something closer to 1/24th or 1/25th scale that's making this particular car, I'd drop it in the comments because I'd like to pick it up. So other than that, let me show you what's going on here. Let me tell you from the start, this kit was or is pretty horrible. The amount of flash that was on this kit was amazing. I've spent more time just trying to clean the flash off of it and get it to the point where it's usable. There's also a problem with the body. And I don't know if you'll be able to see it here, but see how this side is a little bit more out, but this side is definitely warped to the inside. You can kind of see it a little bit this way, where it's not doing that over here. So I have to try to figure out how to fix that. You can see it within here. I basically had to shave out all the flash that was in this window. It was almost completely covered. Same thing, there was just tons of flash up in here, along this ridge line here and here, around the lenses for the headlights. This was just horrible, absolutely horrible. Let's see what else we got here. Here's the body or the chassis. You can see where I had to go through and clip out, all the casting plugs. There's no engine, so it's a curbside kit, which is fine. Even some of these, like these struts here, you can see this one here is just kind of misshapen because it wasn't cast at all. So I didn't cut this. This is the way it came off the sprue. This is what it should look like. There's just nothing. There was nothing there. I had to clean up. There's lots of flash along the side of the transmission, or rear differential. Transmission up here was all separate pieces. Lots of flash around the front end here that I had to clean up. Was that rear seats. There's the front bucket seats. Oh, and this was probably the worst. So the steering wheel, all of the holes in between the spokes was solid. It was just solid plastic. I ended up trimming down the plastic that was inside the steering wheel just to get the 3 spokes like that. Now, I know that doesn't look good. I know that they are not even, but that's as close as I'm going to get it, folks. Yeah. I would not recommend this kit to anybody. Dashboard wasn't too bad. It's got it came with a divot in the dash here. The grill actually looks pretty good. I didn't do anything to this. I'll have to go through and trim off some of this stuff so it'll fit. You can even see some of the flash on the pins, the locating pins. You can see it there. Oh, the wheels were really horrible. I gotta continue to go over that because you can still see the seams on the tires. I mean, it's just, this kit's horrible. This kit is absolutely horrible. Oh, and I'll just show you. They actually came with paintbrushes. You can tell that they shoved this on a little bit too far because the tip went through and is bent. I will not use these brushes, or they'll become part of my crap brushes where I'll just use them for other things. The paint itself, I haven't even tried to open any of this yet. Let's see what it looks like. I'm probably not even going to use this paint. See if I can get it open without spilling it. Paint looks like it's pretty well dried out. Well, maybe it isn't. It's definitely not usable. There's almost no fluid in there at all. So, I'm not even going to worry about the glue. Anyway, so that's kind of where I'm at. The instructions are very, very simple. Not much to them. And hopefully I'm going to get this in the primer in the next day or two. The muffler. Even the muffler had, where was it? Oh, it was right here. It had a post that came off of it. I swear it had to be about that long. Yeah, it was horrible. Anyway, so that's where we're at. I was hoping that this would be a fun, quick build. It's becoming a royal pain in the ass. But we'll get through it, and hopefully we'll have something done in another week or so. I hope everybody's doing well. Happy holidays to everyone. Wish you all a safe and happy Christmas time and other holidays for whatever you celebrate. So much love to all of you. Stay safe, stay healthy. And I'd like to say thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. All my long-term subscribers, everybody, I enjoy having you all with me on this journey that we're taking. So again, thank you, and talk to you all real soon. Bye.